Hello. Welcome to Jermaine's Green Team. Just coming on to check out what's going on in the tent today. Well, the indoor food forest. We got our green beans growing up quite a bit, and our sweet peas are reaching up there. We've got sweet peas flowering. We got all sorts of flowers going on with the purple pole beans. We even got some tomato flowers happening up over there. Got cucumbers down here flowering. They're not doing the greatest. They're getting by. We've also got some chives flowering. Feels like spring up in here. Doing really nice. But had a thought last night about everyone talking about eating bugs. I've been noticing this has been a topic really coming around. Now, I kind of understand farming bugs is easy, it's fast, protein rich, but I'm going to have to say the only bugs that I'm willing to eat are water bugs. So I kind of really been thinking about that. Doing gardening, we've really been talking more about checking into aquaponics. And aquaponics is feeding your plants using fish. Then you get good quality fish fillets, and all that remains you can also back using for more fish food, or more plant food, I mean. Or if you process, you probably could use them for fish food, pellets or something. But my biggest thought is, why aren't we trying to put more effort towards that? Aquaponics and then produce the mass amount of bugs to feed to the fish instead of the population, and then feed all the fish to the population. And then we can also use all the waste byproduct from the fish to feed back to the plants to have a higher yield as well as a better quality of vegetables and fruits for the population. So it's kind of one of my biggest thoughts. Because, I mean, we got the pitcher plant, for instance. It's got a specific design to draw plants in where they fall on and they can't get out. Well, if we were to do something of that matter to where we could actually set specific traps up for bugs that we don't like. I know all around the world you always find cockroaches everywhere. Quite a bit of a pest. They've been doing a lot of research finding out that the cockroach actually has a high protein content and it's got some good. But I myself, I would never want to find a cockroach on my dinner plate. But I kind of don't believe I would. I kind of believe myself. I don't think I'd have too much of a problem knowing that maybe if there was even some kind of quick wash for the roaches to sterilize them before you feed them to the fish. At that point, I mean, I guess I could actually picture a cockroach in some way being in the food chain on my dinner plate. But other than actually being on the dinner plate, no. So that's the same thing with the mealworms, the crickets, all of them. Feed them to the fish, and then feed us the fish. Yeah, that's my thought on it. Because we can, then in the end result, we can have a good product of actually higher quality fruits and vegetables. But thanks for listening, and thank you for watching. Keep it growing.